the moon.
The number you have dialed is not available at present. Please leave your message after the beep.
Yeah, trendsetter, whoa, league of my own, it don't get better. No, read what I wrote, I'm a bestseller. Yeah, reach for my goals, hit it dead center, hit it dead center. Bullseye, hit it the most, there's no misses. Something like fish in a barrel, it's no different. Blindfold on me, I still got the most vision. Trendsetter told them before, but they don't listen. Better, bring a better bad because I'm bigger, better. Solo, single, selling several shows at every single second. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. Kinda came and crushed the competition, hope they get the message. Look, living it fast, spinning my M in bag. I never go slow, thinking I'll crash. End up a thing in the past, they know I won't though. Big fish catching me, they gon' need a bigger boat. Ironic how the world stops when I spin a globe. Always showing up, right. Last year's song still holding up. See the name now and they know what's up, right. Price hit the top and it's going up. I'm a trendsetter, whoa, league of my own, it don't get better. No, read what I wrote, I'm a bestseller. Yeah, reach for my goals, hit it dead.
Me voy a matar, que mi último. Uy, uy, uy. Me voy a matar. Uy, uy.
There are two tools that you will need to be successful. There's dedication and consistency. But see, you must be dedicated to being consistent and consistently dedicated to what you're doing. So you need to be dedicated to the craft, to the lifestyle, to the grind. You have to be dedicated. But in order to be dedicated, you have to be consistent and synonymous with whatever you're doing. So if you're trying to be successful, no matter what it may be, whether it's relationships, life, your business,